Smart lines are an easy way to keep your diagram looking neat and organized, even if you're moving shapes around a lot. For example, here's a diagram using normal lines, and here's one using smart lines. They look the same at first, but when I drag shapes around, you can see the smart lines adapt to the new layout automatically by drawing the most efficient line between each shape. To activate a smart line, drag the line to a connector node and then drag your mouse just a little further into the shape, until the shape is highlighted. You have to be quick though, the halo will disappear after about a second or so. Now you have a smart line that will adapt however you move the shape. If you want to practice working with smart lines in Lucidchart, I've made this document into a template that you can find by following the link below. To learn more about design in Lucidchart, check out the whole playlist of tutorials. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for another topic, leave them in the comments below. Happy diagramming!